orthographic projections. Now we are moving at the ninth one, that is hidden lines in the hatch area are omitted. Just see the example, then you will get it better. See, this is the figure. This is like a I section. Okay, here you are given a cutting plane AA. You are given the direction from where you have to watch, that is X. Now, if you want to draw it, if you want to cut it, so after cutting, how your job will look like? So after cutting, your job will look like this. If you want to cut it, then after cutting, your job will look like this. Okay, and here the hatching portion will be there, and another portion will be like this. It will be totally opposite to this because it is symmetric about the cutting plane. Okay, so from here you are watching, you have to remove this portion because the direction of arrow is this, so you have to remove this portion, and what will be the portion that you have to see, so that you are going to draw. So if I want to draw it, just a rectangular portion is visible to me. So if I want to draw the top view, say the top view will be look like this. If I want to draw the front view, so I have drawn the section line, then see it will look like this. So here what is written, hidden lines in the hatch area are omitted. So actually these two portions are there. From here one line is passing similar to this, from here one line is passing similar to this, that is not visible to us. So generally what we are trying to draw it like this. So if we are going to do like this, then it will be incorrect. Okay, so you don't have to draw any hidden line behind the job. So actually if I want to draw the view, how I am going to draw, I am just going to draw it like this. Okay, so just remember this thing, you don't need to show any hidden line behind the section plane. Next, sectioning rule for machine elements like C. If you are having a job who is having a ribs, rivet, and web, shaft, pin, nut, bolt, washer, etc. In that case, how you have to show the view? Just see the example, then you will know it better. See, this is the figure in which you are having two plates. I am having, say, such type of the shape I am having one plate like this. I am having another plate like this, and to connect both of them, I am going to use one rivet through which I am going to pass the rivet. Okay, you are aware of the rivet or you are aware of the nut and bolt. So if I am having such type of the construction, and if I want to draw its a view, so if I want to draw the section view, what I am going to do, I am going to pass a plane through this. You will be given in the form of the such type of the line, cutting plane line. It will be in that form. You will be given the direction of arrow. Say the direction of arrow is like this. Okay, in this figure. So you are going to remove the front portion and you are going to draw the back portion. So here what they have done, actually how many components we are having? Plate 1, plate 2 and the rivet. Okay, instead of rivet, if you are going to use nut and bolt, so nut and bolt may be there or screw may be there. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to do the fastening. When I connect karu છે, to connect these two, I can use rivet, I can use nut and bolt, I can use screw, I can do welding. So I can do similar things over here. So here what I have done, I have used rivet over here. So I have cut the section. Your rivets will be like this. Your rivets will be like this. It will be cylindrical in a shape over here and it will have a cap. Okay, so if I want to draw it, so when we are going to apply the force from the bottom, this portion is going to convert in this form. So that's why it is been drawn like this. So if I am going to make a cutting section, what I have done, these two parts are different. That's why I have shown it by the different types of the hatching lines. Okay, this is leaning towards right, this is leaning towards left and making an angle of the 45-degree. Here what I have done, I have reduced the gap in between the lines. I don't have changed the angle, so you can make the change in angle as well. So to differentiate, what I have done, I have reduced the distance in between these parallel lines. Okay, so this is different comparatively. So what I come to know, so actually how many parts I am having? I am having part 1, 2 and 3. But if I am going to do the hatching in such type of the component, so the names of the components are written over here. So this is the rivet. Okay, if it is rib, we have seen the rib. Okay, web will be similar to a rib, shaft, pin, nut, bolt, washer, key, cotter. If similar things are there, in that case you don't need to show it by the hatching line. So if I am going to show it by the hatching line, it will be incorrect. If in that case, what I have to do, I don't need to show it by the hatching line. It itself representing that a part is a different. Okay, so if I have drawn it like this, I am having three parts, one, two, and this is a rivet itself, so it is a third part. So in that case, you don't need to show it by the hatching line. Okay, so in such a case, we are not going to show by the hatching line. So you have to, if you want to say who is correct, this one is correct. So in your essay, suppose orthographic projection no problem or sectional orthographic, in that case you will not be given such type of the questions. Remember, you will not have you will have a single component in that case. Suppose you have solved the first, you have given the examination in a first examination for that in that problem you have drawn the orthographic projection. Similarly here you have to draw the sectional orthographic. So such type of the component will not be in there who is having more than one parts. In that case you will have only single parts. But if someone want to ask you for a 2 marks question or 3 mark question, in that case you may be asked such type of the question that draw sectioning of the rivets. So how to draw the sectioning of the rivet? So in that case, you have to draw such type of the figure. If you are going to draw it like this, it will be correct. This will not be incorrect. It will useful to you in a future. Okay, but remember, you have to remember it may be asked for 1 or 2 marks in the examination. It will not be asked for the 15 marks. Such question will not be in there. In that case, you will have a single component. Okay. So in such case, I have to represent like this. Now we are going to we have seen several rules, so you have to remember all of these rules. Okay, when you are going to apply the drawing, in that case you have to remember these all type of the rule, and then you have to apply the rules. We are just going to see one of the example. Say we are given such type of the figure. Okay, you are well aware of the figure. You have seen the similar figure in the orthographic projection. Now we are given the direction of the arrow. It is X. From here you are watching, and the cutting plane is given like this. So cutting plane is parallel to which plane? Your cutting plane is parallel to
Vertical plane.
vertical plane. So which view will be sectional view?
Front view.
Okay. So you have to draw the sectional front view. At least you will have one view that will be the sectional front view that you have to draw. So what we are asked to do over here. So figure shows isometric view of the machine component. Draw its a front view. So our front view will be the sectional view. We have to draw the top view. So we will draw the top view as it is that we have used for the orthographic projection, and we have to draw the left hand side view. So we will see from here. This will be the left hand side view. We will draw it on the right side using the third angle projection method. So here we are given that we have to draw according to third angle. So that's why the left hand side view will be drawn on the left hand side. Okay. And second, sectional front view, top view, and left hand side view using third angle projection method. Means we have to draw both of the views. Here what they have asked, any અંદર શું હશે, front view draw કરવાનો છે, top view and left hand view using third angle projection method. Here only one thing is being changed, draw sectional front view, top view and left hand side view using third angle projection method. So when we are going to use the third angle projection method, our front view will be over here, top view will be over here, our left hand side view will be on the left hand side, and right hand side view will be on the right hand side. Okay, but only one change we have to do over here. If I want to draw the first one, so first ની અંદર જેવું દેખાય છે directly front view, top view and left hand side view, that you have to draw. And if you want to draw the second one, in that case you just have to change the front view only. ખાલી front view ની જગ્યાએ શું change કરશો, sectional front view. So it should be the sectional front view, left hand side view and the top view that you have to draw. So this is your figure. We are going to see how it will look after cutting. This is your figure. So say if I want to draw it directly, so if I want to draw directly, if I am watching from here, what is visible to me, that I am going to draw. So this is one rectangle, this portion will be visible to me. This is L type of a shape, that is the second portion that will be visible to me. This triangular portion, that is a third portion that is visible to me. So these are three portions, they are directly visible to me. Okay, so if I want to draw this, so here the top view is seen. So in a front view, these three portions will be visible to me directly. If I want to draw the top view first, say if I want to draw the top view, so in a top view, such section, L type of a section over here, this rectangular section, and this portion will be visible to me. So if I want to draw this in a top view, I am going to do this thing. This will be directly visible. This will be visible. This will be visible. This will be visible, and this will be visible. Almost all the thing will be directly visible in the top view. So that I am going to draw. So see how your top view will be drawn. You know it well how to draw it. This L section, see, these two are the similar L sections. This is a rectangular portion, here is a rectangular portion. Though this is a slant edge, if I am watching from the top, it will look me a rectangle. So this is another rectangular portion, and see this portion. So it is being seen over here. So I have to draw the top view. None part is seen as a hidden over here. So this will be your top view. Now if you want to draw the front view, in a front view, which parts are visible? As I have shown you, 1, 2, 3, these are the part, they are directly visible. The line passing through this or passing through this, it will not be visible directly, so you will draw it by the hidden line. Okay, and here you are having this curve. Here you are having one curve. Okay, so the line representing this, it will be also drawn as a hidden line. Front view. So see, your front view will be like this. This is a 1. So see, this portion is representing the part 1. Second portion, it is similar to L. So see this portion, this is representing that thing. Okay, this is directly visible. Third, what is visible? This triangular portion is visible. So I have drawn this triangular portion. And second, next, this line or the line passing through this portion, it will not be visible. So that's why you have to draw it by the hidden line. And here this vertical line, it is moving throughout downward. So that will also be not seen to us. So that's why we are going to draw it by the hidden line. See, this is hidden line, and this is another hidden line. And this is the semicircular portion, semicircular hole over here. So it is representing the diameter. Actually, full hole is there. So I am going to draw it by 2 hidden lines. Here half hole is there. That's why I am going to draw half hidden line over here. So see, this is the half hidden line. And the center line, from which center you have to draw, you have drawn it. So you are going to draw the center line. And this is the way you are going to draw its front view. So these are the way you are going to draw its front view and top view. Now if you want to draw its left hand side view, so what will be visible in the left hand side view? See, this portion will be visible. This will be visible to you. Okay, then this section, and this is a slant edge. So this slant edge will be visible as a rectangular portion to me. And here also one slant edge is there, so that will be visible to me. And what will not be seen to me? So the line passing through this, it will not be visible directly. The line passing through this, it will not be visible directly. So see how we are going to draw this. So say, as I have told you, this portion and this portion are like this. And this slant edge, it is looking like a rectangle if I am watching from here. So I have drawn this rectangle. On this side, I have drawn the rectangle. See this entire section on this side, opposite. So I have drawn it over here, This rib. So this is the way I have completed. And passing through this and passing through this, it is not with a hidden line. So this is the way I am going to draw its left hand side view. Now next, what we have to view. Okay, so if we want to draw the sectional view, only one view is going to change. That instead of front view, we have to draw the sectional front view. This as it is, you don't have to make any change. So we have to cut a jaw from here. Now we are going to cut a jaw from here. We are going to remove this portion, and rest of the portion, how it is looking, that we are going to draw. So see how it will look after cutting. So after cutting, your job is going to look like this. See, when your plane is merged with a material, you have to show it by the hatching line. Here is a rib. If you are having a plane, cutting plane parallel to rib, you don't have to see by the hatching. But instead of it, if I am having a cutting plane like this, so in that case, I have to show it by the hatching line. I have shown you last time. So if you want to cut your job, after cutting, your job is looking like this. You have cut this job. After cutting, how does it look? It will look like this. So if I want to draw its view, say how it will be drawn. So see, this is the way you are going to draw it. Okay, this is itself. Actually, a curve is here, but it is, if I am watching from here, it is looking like me a single rectangle. The curve is visible in the top view. If I am watching from here, I will not find that it is a curve. That's why it will look me a straight line. So that's why here you are going to see a rectangular portion. So such a rectangular portion will be visible. Or if you want to see, if you want, I want to cut it from here. So see this line, it will look me a rectangle. Okay. After that, if I want to cut it from here, so one triangular portion representing a rib over here. So see this triangular portion, it is representing a rib. So I have drawn it. Now, if I want to cut it from here, I am cutting from here. So as it's directly visible, thus a rectangular portion. See, it is directly visible if I want to cut it. So now no hidden line will be seen over here. So that's why I'm going to draw it directly. See, this is drawn directly. If I am cutting it from here, so here some material will be there. Here it is having particular depth. So below it, it is having particular material. So that's why see, the material is drawn over here. So to show the material, I have to use the hatching line. And the rectangular portion seen behind over here. See this rectangular portion over here, or this one, a strip like this, rectangular strip. So that is visible over here. Okay, so this is your sectional front view. So after cutting, how does your job look like? That you have to draw by using a sectional view. Okay, here the sectional front view is there. So you have to make the imagination first. I am advising you to make a rough sketch. Then this type of the figure will not be given to you. You have to make your own idea. You have to try to assume how it will look after cutting, and based on that, you have to draw this type of a figure. So this is your sectional front view. Okay.
सर
Yes.
सर वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्यू में जो वो स्लैंट रेक्टेंगल है सर, वो उसकी लेंथ इतनी छोटी मतलब आई, वो पता नहीं।
यस, इतनी छोटी क्यों हो जाएगी? इफ आई एम वॉचिंग फ्रॉम हियर, ये स्लांट है, सपोज ये डिस्टेंस मेरे को दिया है सपोज 10 mm, और ये मैं लाइन लेता हूँ और ये मेरे को डिस्टेंस दिया है अगर 20 mm, तो ये दूसरा मेरे को 20 तो नहीं होगा, ज्यादा ही होगा क्योंकि ये ज्यादा दिख रहा है. सपोज दैट डिस्टेंस इज गिवन टू मी से 40 mm, तो 10 इसमें माइनस हो जाएगा और ये डिस्टेंस होगा वो सिर्फ 30 हो जाएगा. ये स्लैंट है, अगर ऊपर से देख रहे हो तो देखो आप कितना डिस्टेंस आएगा. सी दिस, ओके, दिस इज 50, दिस डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, दिस इज गिवन टू यू 60, 60 माइनस 25, 60 माइनस 25, ये अपने को क्या दिया हुआ है, that distance is not written over here, it should be there. Okay, it is not written. So say this distance is say 5 mm, this is 5 mm, so 25 plus 5 plus 5, it is 35. So 60 minus 35, it is equal to 25. So 25 divided by 2, so this gap will be of only 12.5 and this will be of 12.5. So if I am watching from here, it will look like me at 12.5. Actually it is having a much length, but if I am watching from the front, that's why it will look me at too smaller. Okay.
Yes sir.
It is itself is having a much length. You, if you want to find it, you can find 12.5 square plus 50 square under root of it. You will get it. But if I am watching from here, it is making an angle. It will look a small shorter. If you want to understand it a proper way, just take a scale. Okay, scale is having a bigger length, but just incline it, and after inclination, just to see it. So you will find that it is looking very smaller comparatively.
Okay sir.
Okay, so we are going to see few more theoretical portion. Other problems will be covered in the your lab sessions. If time permits, then I will take more problems as well. Before going to see, we are just going to see several theoretical portions. We are going to see the types of the sectional views. Which are the types of the sectional view? So still we have seen the sectional view that is known as the full sectional view. Okay, in which we were having a full cutting line. Full sectional view kone gaisu. So if I am having a job like this, and if I am passing a cutting line from somewhere, say generally we are passing it through the mid of a job, it is end to end. I am drawing it from end to end. Okay, and it is just parallel to say vertical ni parallel ho sake, it may be parallel to horizontal or it may be parallel to profile plane. If such type of the cutting plane is given to you, and if we are going to draw, it's a view, it's a sectional view, it will be known as the full sectional view. અત્યાર સુધી જે પ્રોબ્લેમ તમે જોયા, that is known as a full section view. Your questions will be related to full sectional view. Okay, in a full sectional view, you will have a cutting plane either parallel to vertical plane or parallel to horizontal plane or parallel to profile plane. You will have a plane either parallel to vertical plane, horizontal plane, or a profile plane. And in that case, if I want to draw, how does it look after cutting? That I'm going to draw, it will be considered as a full sectional view. Second one is the half section view. In a half section view, what we are going to do, say if I am having the same job, I want to half sectional view in which I will have a cutting plane in this form. See, your cutting plane will be in this form. Means your cutting plane, this cutting plane is parallel to vertical plane, some of the portion is parallel to the profile plane. It does mean that in a figure it will be look like this. It will be look like this. You will be given the arrow in this format. मतलब के suppose you are having such type of the figure, it is having, simply assume करो कि आ figure છે, say this is having the size of 40 mm, you are having a square, so you are cutting it into two equal halves. So the view visible over here, that is a full sectional view. Here what I am going to do, I am going to cut it into, it is having actually four parts, say it is 1, 2, imaginary, I am going to assume 3 and 4. I am going to remove this 3 portion 3. Okay, so quarter portion here we have to remove. We have to remove the quarter portion over here, and here we have to remove the half portion. And after removing the quarter portion, how does the job will look like? After removing the quarter portion, my job will look like this. And then if I want to draw its a front view, how will be my front view? My front view will be like this. Okay, so sectional view will be visible in the front view as well as it will be visible in the side view. If I want to draw the side view, in a side view also I will have section view. Okay, so I am having the cutting plane is in this format. So what we are going to do in the half section view, we are going to remove the quarter portion. In the full section view, what we are going to do, we are going to remove the half portion. So when we are going to remove the half portion, in that case we will have only one section view. Either it will be the front section view or the top view as a section view, or as the left hand side view or right hand side view will be as a section view. But if we are having half section view, in that case we are going to use such type of the cutting plane. Some of the portion is parallel to the horizontal vertical plane, some of the portion is parallel to the vertical plane. It may be parallel to top plane bhi hoy sake, top, so here in this case this portion is parallel to vertical plane, this portion is parallel to the profile plane, and I am going to cut it. I am going to remove the 1/4 portion of a job, and after removing it I am going to see how does it look. So it will, some of the portion, half portion will be look as a section view and half portion will be look as it is. Here see, half portion is look as a section view, half portion is look as it is. And here if I want to draw it to side view, in a side view also, if I want to see in a side view also your plane, cutting plane is merging with a material. That's why you are going to show it by the hatching line. So in a side view also, you will find that half portion is visible as a cutting as a section view, and half portion will be as it is. So whenever half portion is visible over here as a section view, it will be known as a half section view. Okay, it will be known as a half section view. So if you want to understand simply, assume you are having a cake, you are directly cutting it from the middle. Okay, so it is giving you a view that will be the full section view. And if you are going to cut it parallel to two planes and you are going to remove the 1/4 portion, and after that how does the look will be there, it will be known as the half section view. Okay, we are not going to see this theoretical portion, you can read it yourself. I am going to see the actual figures, then you will come to know properly. Some important points are written over here. Hidden line should not be drawn in a section view. These all things are written for the full section view. Okay, समझ ना आवे तो मने पूछो. I am not going to take all these things because we are not having much time, and these all things we have seen previously. Okay, idea એનો જે છે તમને સમજમાં આવશે તો you can know. See, hidden line should not be drawn in a, we have seen. Visible line behind the cutting plane should be shown, so that is also known to us. The portion which are actually cut by the cutting plane should be hatched, so we have to show it by the hatching line. J portion ne cut karolo cho, that will be shown by the hatching line, that also we have seen. the position of the cutting plane should be shown by the cutting plane line. So if you want to show the position where, suppose this is the top view, and in the top view I want to show the position of a cutting plane, so how it will be shown? It will be shown by the cutting plane line, and you have to show the arrows at the end. These all are the important points related to it. Half section view. So leave all these things, just see this figure. You will get the better idea. Okay, here I am having an example of a flange. This is the flange. So how the flange is actually looking like, say you are having one cylindrical portion on which you are having another cylinder, and through which you have cut a hole, two holes. See, if I want to make it complete, I'm just to throw it like this. Okay, if I want to make it complete, here one hole, here one hole is there. I'm going to make it complete revolution. It will look like this. So here, if I want to draw the, I'm going to the views by the same figure, half section view and full section view. So if I am having the top view of the figure like this, now don't see. If I am given such type of the figure, at the end you are given such type of the darker line, and here it is written that AA. It does mean that you are having the section AA. It will be visible as a front view. Okay, you are having a cutting plane AA. Your cutting plane is AA. Now what we have to do? We have to see from here. We have to remove this portion, and what will be the rest of the portion that we have to draw. Okay, so after cutting, how will my job look like? So see, my job will look like this. If I want to cut it, and after cutting, I want to show how will my job look like. So my job will look like this, something. Okay, getting an idea. What I have done, I have cut it from here. I have removed this portion. Here also the portion is there. I have removed, and rest of the thing I have drawn. So if I want to draw it, how it will look? If I want to draw it's a sectional front view. My sectional front view will look like this. Okay, this will be my sectional front view. Okay, so I want to make the differentiation in between these two. What is a full section? So this is the full sectional front view. This is known as a full sectional front view. But whenever we are going to use a full sectional front view, we are not going to use this term. We are going to omit it. We are just going to write it as a sectional front view. So this is just a sectional front view. So for the same figure, instead of such A and C, if you are given the horizontal line like this, cutting plane like line like this, and if you are if it is written AA or AB or BB or BC, कहीं भी लगी हुआ है, but if it is parallel to one plane only, in that case, if you want to draw its a front view, it will be sectional front view, or it will be known as the full sectional front view. We are not going to use a full term over here, so we will say it as a sectional front view. Okay, so this is the sectional front view, full sectional front view. Now what is the difference in between full sectional and half sectional? So in the half sectional, we want to remove the quarter portion, 1/4 portion, and generally it will be applicable in a figure who is made by the axis of revolution. ये कई जगह यूज से generally figure made of the axis of revolution. Axis of revolution. If I want to take a portion here, एक cut portion ले लो. See this, take this portion only. Take this portion, take this axis and revolve this figure, and a revolve करो. So if you are going to revolve it, which type of the shape it is going to give you? It is going to give you the shape of the flange. Okay, અને આખું લઈ લો, hole ને હમણાં રહેવા દો. Omit the hole. If you are going to take such type of the figure, say if I am going to show you, if you are having such type of the figure, okay, and this is the center line, just revolve this. If you are going to revolve this figure, what you will get such type of the shape. If you are going to revolve it, you are having a such type of the shape. Okay, I have taken the section. I am going to revolve this through 360 degree. After revolving 360 degree, how will be the job look like? It will look like this. So generally, half section view क्या job ની અંદર આવશે? that is made of the axis of revolution. કોઈ બી પાર્ટ ને axis of revolution કરીને બનાવશો એના પર એ યુઝ થશે. So here it is made of axis of revolution. Now what we are going to do, we are going to remove the 1/4 portion of a job. Here we have to remove the 1/4 portion of a job. Now see what we are given. We are given a cutting plane like this. It is starting from here, it is moving up to center. See here it is made darker, here it is also made darker, here at the end it is make a darker, here at the end it is make a darker. So if we are watching from here, what we have to do, we have to remove this portion, and after removing, how will my job look like, that I have to draw. So what I will find that this portion is parallel to the vertical plane. That's why in a front view I will get the half section view. Similarly, if I am watching from here, this cutting plane, half cutting plane is parallel to the profile plane. So the left hand side view also will have some section plane. So see, I am getting two sectional views over here. In a front view also I am having a sectional view, and in a side view also I am having a section view. But it is not a full. See, this side and this side. On both of these sides we don't have shown the section line. Why? Because it is a half section view. It is a half section view. So see this figure, then you come to know it properly. I am watching from here. I am watching from here. This portion will be look like a hatching lines to me. So what I have done, see, I have drawn like this. I have drawn this rectangle. Here is rectangle. I have drawn this rectangle. Then another rectangle. Though this is a curve, this is a curve, this is vertical line, this is vertical line. These two curves will be look as a straight line to me if I am watching from here. So that's why this is representing the hole. Then see, this L type of a shape, so that I have drawn over here. See this half portion over here, this half portion, okay, behind me in the that is a half portion. So that half portion I am going to draw over here. Okay, so this portion I have drawn similar to the section view. I just have drawn on the half side. So that's what is
MH33 mute your mic. MH33.
Okay, anyone's mic is on, please keep it off.
Mayan Likhya. Sir, please remove MH33.
Yes. Okay, see. So that's why you are going to draw it over here. This is the half view. And in the another half view, what you are going to do? You are going to draw as it is. I have shown you. Suppose it is a full view. In a full view, how it is looking? Your job is actually looking like this. Okay, here you are having a hole. The hole is through. You are having several holes like this. 4 holes are there. If you are watching from here, how the job will look like? If you want to see the front view, you will get such rectangle. This is the another rectangle. So the another rectangle is visible to me. Here one center line will be there. The center line will be visible to me. The hole is through, so I can draw the through hole through this hole. Here on this side the hole is there. I am going to show that hole. Here on this side also the hole is there, so I am going to show that hole. One hole is here as well. Okay, there are 4 holes. So half hole is visible on this side, half hole will be there. So half hole will be visible to me. So if I want to draw it, half hole will be on this side, half hole will be on this side. Any back ni andar bhi ek half hole ase, that will be merged with this hidden line. So that's why you are not going to show. So how many holes are visible to us? 4 holes. Actually 4 holes are there. If I want to draw the front view, 4 hole I have to see, but I have to draw. But ani pachal bijo hole je che, it is going to hide behind this one, so that's why it will not visible to me. So that's why I am going to show 3 holes. This is one hole, this is the second hole, this is the third hole, and this is the hidden line that is representing this big hole. So now if I want to draw the half section, so what I have to do, half portion je chhe no, half portion je right hand side no, that I have to draw as it is. See here, I have drawn that thing as it is, and this half portion on the left side, that is been drawn similar to the section view. So see here, this half portion is drawn similar to the section view. So you are going to draw half of the portion similar to the section view. Another half portion you are going to see similar to the orthographic view. Okay, so this is the way I can draw my front view. If I want to draw my side view, see, in a side view, if I am watching from here, so this portion will be drawn as a orthographic, and this portion will be drawn as a sectional orthographic. So see, this portion is visible as a sectional orthographic, and this is just visible as a orthographic projection. So see what I have done. Behind it, few hidden lines may be there, but I haven't drawn it. If I want to see from here, a section view છે એની પાછળ આ curve આખો જાય છે, this curve. If I am watching from here, this curve will be look as a hidden line to me. Okay, this hole, this portion of the hole is also been there, but it is not needed. Suppose if I want to draw it, say it will be like this. This is representing this curve. Here one hole will be there, but we are not going to show the hidden line. That's why I am omitting these hidden lines over here. So this is the way we are going to draw the half section view. Okay, any questions related to half section view? You just have to know the 1/4 portion of a job, and from where we have to watch? We have to watch from here. So that's why the left side will be visible as a section in the front view. Another view will be similar to the orthographic view. Orthographic ma je rite draw you as it is you have to draw. And another section of the arrow is from left to right. So that I have from here, I have to remove this portion. So for the right side, actually this is the left hand side view. Left hand side view will be drawn on the right hand side if I want to use the first angle projection method. And in the right hand side, this is the left part. The left part, this is the left part. The left part will be drawn as it is as a orthographic projection, and this portion will be drawn as a section view. So it is drawn as a section view. Okay, so this is known as the half section view. So we have seen the full section. This is the half section. Okay, now this is the offset section. Offset section, see, in this figure what we are having one rectangular plate. In a rectangular plate we are having two features. The features are in the form of the holes. Here we are having one hole. We are having another hole in the form of the square hole. This type of the hole is known as the counter bore. Okay, we are having such type of the hole, means two holes are here. This is the smaller hole and this is the bigger hole. Suppose I want to introduce a screw over here. So screw ni andar kya hoga screw, or if you are having a nut, bolt, your bolt will be like this. So bolt ni je head che, that head should fit over here. So that's why we are going to make it such type of the hole. So this is a smaller portion, smaller hole. So as a portion that is going to insert over here, and this is the cap of it, or if it is a head of it, so it is going to fit over here. So if I am having such type of the feature, bare feature, okay, in this case, if I want to give a cutting plane like this, suppose I am giving a cutting plane like this. So in a front view, only one feature will be visible to me. See, if I am having this as a AA as a cutting line, AA as a cutting line, if I want to draw, how will my front view look like? My front view will look like this. So behind the job, I am having this portion, this hole is there, but as we have seen the rule, we are not going to show any hidden line. They are remaining behind the cutting plane. So that's why it will look like this. Your front view will look like this. If I am having a section cutting plane as AA, if I am going to draw the cutting plane passing through this, if I want to draw the cutting plane passing through this, say if I am having a cutting plane BB, and if I want to draw the section view, in that case my section view will look like this. This will be my sectional front view. So in that case, this feature will not be visible. Okay. So see, if you are having a cutting plane as AA, this feature will not be visible, and if you are having a cutting plane BB, this counter bore will not be visible. So in that case, if I want to show both of the feature, what I have to do, I have to take the offset section. I have to take the offset section. See, I have a cutting plane like this. Cutting plane is passing through this hole, center of this hole, then it is diverting at a 90 degree. After that, it is also diverting at a 90 degree, and it is covering second feature as well. So it is covering both of the features. This feature is also there. This feature is also there. Now after that, how does my job will look like? After that, how does my job will look like? See, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
See this. Okay, if I am going to cut it from one of the portion, પાછળના portion you cut કરું તો મારો view જે છે it will look like this only. In that case, only one feature will be visible. In that case, both of the feature will not be visible. If I want to cut it from this portion, in that case, only such a whole portion will be visible to me. If I am going to cut it like this, so the back portion, though it is there, the whole is there, but it will not be seen if I want to draw the front view. But if I want to show both of the views, I am going to use a plane who is moving like this. So it is covering both of the features. These two features will be covered. So that's why, see, it is cutting this hole, then it is diverting at 90 degree. Again, it is diverting at 90 degree, and it is covering the second feature. So that's why if I want to draw its front view, how it will be visible. So its front view is looking like this. See, so this L shape, this feature. So it is this one. This is another L shape. This is another L shape. See, here one line is there. If I am not going to draw this line, if I am going to draw such type of the figure, if I am just going to draw such type of the figure, what does it mean? These both of the features are on the same line. If I am not going to draw this line, આ line નહીં draw કરું, એનો મતલબ કે બંને ફીચર એક જ લાઈનમાં છે. But in actual figure, both of the features are not on the same line. So that's why it is diverting from here. This line we have to represent. So that's why it is represented like this. So what we are going to do? We are going to show the hatching line. Here the same material is there, same component is there. So we have to show it by the same hatching line. But here one vertical line is there. It does mean that this feature and this feature are not on the same plane. Both of them are in the different plane. And instead of it, if I have drawn it like this, I don't have shown a line in between. It does mean that these two holes are on the same plane. So that is the differentiation in between this. Okay, get it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so this is known as the offset section. In the offset section, you will have a section that is this is it will not be throughout straight. Okay, it will cover more than one features. So it will be the offset section. Then some special sections. Wait for a minute. Removed section or revolved section. Say, if you are having such type of the figure, what is this? This is a shaft. Okay, so if I want to draw its a front view, this will be its a front view. What will be its a side view? This will be its a side view. What will be its a top view? This will be its a top view. So in a front view, you will have a rectangle. In a top view, you will have a rectangle. In a side view, you will have a circular portion. Now in a same figure, if I want to show what will be its shape, so what I can do, I can cut it from here. If I am going to cut it from here, and if I want to see how will be its side view, so its side view will be circular. So we are going to revolve its side view. मतलब એનો જે અહીંયાથી કટ કરું, કટ કર્યા પછી જે વ્યૂ છે, I am going to rotate it by 90 degree. What I am going to do, I am having the front view of this figure like this. This is just a front view of your cylinder. Okay, one cylindrical portion is there, pipe is there. I am going to cut it from here. Then after cutting, which type of the feature will be visible to me? Actually, અહીંથી કટ કરું તો સાઈડમાંથી જોઈશ તો it will be a circular portion. So what I am going to do, the feature over here that is being rotated by clockwise 90 degree, 90 degree, and after revolving 90 degree, how does it look? That I am going to draw it over here by the hatching line. Okay, so what it is representing? It is representing its side view. How the job is looking in a side view. If I am cutting from this plane, actually this is a cutting plane, and after cutting, what I am going to do? The shape will be there. That shape is rotated by 90 degree, and I am going to draw it itself inside this figure, inside this figure. So this is known as the revolved section. revolved section શું બતાવે છે? એનો cross section બતાવે છે. What is the cross section of this figure? It is been represented by this. So instead of it, if I am having such type of the figure, if I have drawn like this, so which type of the shape your figure will have? Will it be pipe like construction, cylinder type of a construction? It will be like this. Okay, if I haven't drawn this, if I have drawn such type of the figure, it does mean that its cross section is a rectangular. So it's a cross section. How it is looking like? I am just going to revolve it by 90 degree and I am going to put it. જે જગ્યાએથી કટ કરો છો એ જગ્યાએ એને રોટેટ કરીને પુટ કરશો. So you will come to know that what is its cross section. So this is known as the revolved section. Get it? And removed section. In a removed section, what we are going to do? Both of these things are similar. In a revolved section, we are going to put our section here inside a figure. In a removed section, we are going to put the same figure outside the figure. मतलब તમારું જે cylindrical portion છે, જે આ જે છે એ represent કરે છે, એનો cross section cylindrical છે. This is also representing that its cross section is a cylindrical. But what is the difference over here? Here we have keep the cylindrical portion itself inside this rectangle. Here we are just going to put it outside. So if we are going to put the cross section outside, it is known as a removed section. And if we are going to put it inside, it will be known as the revolved section. This is the basic difference. And these are the cutting lines. Okay. See this figure. This is the eye section. How the eye section is drawn? It is enlarging. As I am moving in particular direction, it is enlarging. So see, this is your view of it. Say if it is, if you want to do it's a front view. If I am watching from here, what is visible to me? Such a trapezoidal type of a shape is visible to me. So see, it is this. Then this portion is visible to me. So that I am going to draw here. And here the curve is there. Actually, it is not a flat. If it is curve, so here also the rectangular portion is visible to me. That I am going to draw over here. And on the bottom side also it is there, so that I am going to draw over here. And in between here some feature is there that I am going to draw. Now I want to show what will be its shape. એનો shape મારે બતાવો છે at particular place. So what I will do, I will cut it from here. After cutting, what will be its side view? I am going to rotate that side view by clockwise 90 degree. So how it will, its side view will be, see, its side view is having a eye type of a shape. So if I am going to cut it from somewhere, if I am going to cut it from here, it is also having the same shape. It is also having the eye shape if I am going to cut it from here. So if I am cutting from here, it is having the same shape. એ વખતે બી એનો eye shape જ છે. So what I am going to do, I am going to revolve this by 90 degree, and after that I am going to put it over here. So this is known as the revolved section. So what it is representing? It is representing the cross section of any job. And if I am going to put it outside the figure, it will be known as the removed section. It will be known as the removed section. And the revolved section can be kept like this as well. If you are having a job of a good length, bigger length, you can just remove it like this, and in between them you can put your eye section as well. So it is representing that you have cut it from somewhere, and after cutting, what is its shape? So it is representing the shape of a job. Got it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
સર જે આપણે દોરીએ પેલામાં ડ્રો કરીએ તો વ્યુઝ ને બધું દરેકના સાઇડ વ્યૂ ફ્રન્ટ વ્યૂ તો સર એમાં રિમૂવ સેક્શન અને રિવોલ્વ સેક્શન બંને એક જ વ્યૂમાં ડ્રો કરવાના?
We don't have to draw it. When we are going to do the sectional orthographic, we don't have to draw it. Such questions can be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks. Draw revolved section or removed section. It will be useful to you in an actual practice in a future.
सर एक बार रिवाइज करा दो नहीं.
So simple. See, you are having some cylindrical portion. Suppose if I want to draw its front view, how it is looking? It is looking like this. Say if I am having such type of the figure, having the same height, equal to the diameter of that figure. If I want to draw its front view, how it is looking? Its front view is looking like this. This is the front view of this rectangular log, and this is the front view of this cylindrical bar. Okay. Now from this front view and this front view, both of them are looking identical. So what are the differences? How I can come to know that there is a difference in between these two? So I can draw a cutting view. Cut करूँ છું એને. After cutting, what type of the view will be there? So after cutting, here the cylindrical portion will be there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate it by clockwise 90 degree, and after revolving it, how the shape is looking, that I am going to draw over here. So what from this figure, what I come to know that it is having the cross section of a circular. Similarly, in this figure, suppose I want to cut it from somewhere, so in that case, such type of the figure will be visible to me. It is having a rectangular section. So what I will do, I will rotate it by clockwise 90 degree. So I will put it like this. So what it will give me an information, it is giving me an information that it is having the rectangular side view. ઓકે, એટલે તમે જ્યાં સુધી વ્યૂ નથી મૂક્યો ત્યાં સુધી તમને આઈડિયા નથી આવતો કે એનો સાઇડ વ્યૂ કેવો છે, ઇટ ઇઝ સર્ક્યુલર ઓર ઇટ ઇઝ રેક્ટેન્ગ્યુલર. આવું બી હોઈ શકે ને. સપોઝ આઈ એમ હેવિંગ અ જોબ લાઈક ધીસ. If I am having a job like this, if I want to draw the front view, how it will be drawn? It will be drawn like this. But instead of it, if I am going to put a such type of the figure, so you come to know that its side view is a triangular. So you can imagine that how the job will look like. Okay.
સર એટલે એને કટ કર્યા પછી 90 ડિગ્રી રોટેટ.
હા, એને કટ કરવાનું એ પોર્શન માંથી. You have to cut it from a particular portion, and after that I am going to cut it from here. After cutting, it is looking like me, looking like this to me. And what I am going to do after that, I am going to revolve it by 90 degree. અને revolve કરો 90 degree અને પછી એને મૂકો પ્લેન ની અંદર. એકચ્યુઅલી આ જે છે એનો સાઇડ વ્યૂ છે, અહીંયાથી કટ કરેલું છે, એનો સાઇડ વ્યૂ છે, 90 ડિગ્રી પર પુટ કરેલું છે. ઓકે.
ઓકે સર.
સર આવી ગયા છે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર?
Yes, yes, I am in.
ઓકે મેડમ, can I take 2 minutes only?
Sir, it's already you have taken 8 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you can. No problem.
Okay. Just see this figure. In this figure, you can get an idea. Okay. So what is the cross section of this portion? Now, upper portion જેનો cross section કેવો છે? So if I am going to watch from here, it is looking like a trapezoidal, but actually it is having such type of the shape. So what I have done, I have cut it from here and I have revolved it. So see, it is having a circular section. Now this is the rim. Rim no shape કેવો છે? So rim is having the eye section, and this is the part of the wheel. Suppose wheel જેવો કોઈ portion છે, and this is the spoke. Spoke છે. So spoke no shape કેવો છે? Spoke is having the shape of elliptical. So you can come to know what is the shape of the job. Okay, you are going to cut it from here and revolving by the 90 degree. So you will come to know that what is the shape of a job. So this is the revolved section. Okay, we will discuss remaining thing in the next lecture. Okay, I am finishing my lecture for today. Madam, you can continue. I am just closing this.
Okay.